Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you've ever found yourself desperately hunting for a wall outlet halfway through your day, or watched your phone just absolutely crawl when you're trying to multitask, you are totally in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the jaw-dropping specs of the newly launched Realme Narzo 100X 5G. We're going to see exactly how this device tackles our biggest everyday smartphone headaches, all while packing some serious flagship-level ambitions into a package that's actually accessible. Let's get into it.
All right, here's our quick roadmap for today. We're covering the 8,000 milliamp battery behemoth, uncompromised gaming and performance, built-in Gemini and AI, display, design, and durability, and we'll wrap up with pricing and the final verdict.
Okay, before we even dive into the first section, just let this massive number sink in for a second. 8,000. In a world where we've somehow all just accepted that our phones dying at 5 p.m. is totally normal? No way. This number completely flips the script for power users. Section 1. The 8,000 milliamp hour battery behemoth. Here is the ultimate cure for your battery anxiety. We're talking about a colossal 8,000 milliamp hour powerhouse. But here's the wild part. It's packed into an unexpectedly sleek 8.8 millimeter frame. I mean, it is incredibly rare to see this much capacity without the phone feeling like a literal brick in your pocket, right? But Realme somehow kept the total weight to around 224 grams. The promise? 3 entire days of usage on a single charge. Just imagine taking a weekend trip, entirely forgetting your charger, and actually being totally fine. For years, the industry norm in this segment has basically forced us to compromise. You either get a long-lasting battery with a terrible screen, or you get a beautifully smooth screen that drains your phone in hours while running incredibly hot. Well, the Narzo directly challenges that status quo. It delivers those 3 days of life right alongside a buttery-smooth 144 Hz display, completely rejecting those old, frustrating compromises. But you know, it's not just about the raw size of the battery. It's about how you manage that power. The 45W SUPERVOOC charging gets you back in the action super fast. But the real standout perks for power users, reverse charging, which essentially turns your phone into an 8,000 milliamp hour power bank for your other gear, and all scenario bypass charging. If you're gaming while plugged in, bypass charging powers the phone directly instead of the battery. That actually drops maximum temps by 1.2 degrees Celsius. Throw in the AI night charging mode to protect your battery's health while you sleep, and you've got a remarkably comprehensive power system. Section 2. Uncompromised gaming and performance.
So under the hood, we have the 6nm octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired straight up with a massive 5300 square millimeter airflow vapor chamber. This is exactly the kind of combo you want to see. The Dimensity 6300 and the Mali G57 GPU bring the processing muscle, while that gigantic cooling chamber handles the heat. What does that mean for you? It means raw, smooth, 60 frames per second gaming without that dreaded thermal throttling that usually tanks your frame rates after, 20 minutes of playing? Yeah, not happening here.
Add in up to 14 GB of dynamic RAM, so that's 6 GB of physical LPDDR4X RAM, borrowing up to 8 GB from the UFS 2.2 storage, and you have a budget smartphone that is genuinely attempting to punch way above its weight class. Whether you're bouncing between a heavy game, a video call, or your browser, this dynamic memory setup keeps your background apps alive and snappy. Section 3. Built-in Gemini and AI. Hardware is great, but let's talk smarts. This built-in AI suite is designed to quietly streamline your day. You've got an AI assistant for notes that summarizes long texts, and an AI eraser to quickly ditch photobombers from your pictures. Plus, the AI-powered portrait lighting works hand-in-hand with the 50-megapixel dual AI rear camera, letting you fix terrible lighting with a single tap. It's really all about taking the friction out of content creation and just getting things done. Now having Google Gemini Live built right in, complete with screen share capabilities, that is incredibly powerful. You can literally ask the AI about anything you are currently seeing on your phone. Looking at a photo of a landmark and want its history, looking at a menu in another language and need context, not just a clunky translation, this integration turns your phone into a deeply contextual, interactive assistant. And the AI isn't just trapped inside your software, it literally spills out onto the hardware. The AI Pulse Light gives your phone this customizable glowing heartbeat right next to the camera module. You get 9 different colors and 5 speeds. It syncs up with your Spotify or YouTube Music, acts as a real-time lighting effect for your games, or gives you custom alerts for calls and battery levels. It is such a fun, premium-feeling touch. Section 4. Display, Design, and Durability.
The Narzo 100X 5G is clearly built to survive the daily grind. It rocks armor shell protection and has actually passed the incredibly strict Mali G57 military-grade shock resistance test. Combine that with IP65 dust and water resistance, and you really don't have to panic if you get caught in a rainstorm. Framing all this armor is a gorgeous 6.8-inch display, pushing that 144Hz refresh rate, hitting an impressive 1200 nits in high brightness mode. Protected by Panda 1681 glass, your screen stays visible even in direct sunlight, whether you go with the midnight black or that flashy flash orange colorway.
Let's be real, budget phones get a bad rap for slowing down after a year. But by optimizing the new Realme UI 7.0 based on Android 16, Realme is officially guaranteeing the phone will pass their 48-month fluency test. That is a promise of 4 full years of smooth performance. For budget-conscious buyers who want their investment to actually last, that is a massive reassurance.
Section 5. Pricing and final verdict. So what's all this going to cost? Here is the clear breakdown of the 3 variants hitting the market on July 22nd. The base model with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage starts at 20,999 rupees. But hold on, Realme is throwing in introductory offers, including a 500 rupee coupon and a 2,000 rupee general discount. That drops the effective starting price down to a very aggressive 18,499 rupees. For a device with this much utility, that pricing is incredibly competitive. I'll leave you with this. As mobile technology keeps evolving, is this the exact moment we finally stop accepting midday charging anxiety and zero AI features on our budget devices? The Narzo 100X 5G seems to be throwing down a massive gauntlet to the rest of the industry, proving that immense battery life and modern intelligence absolutely do not have to be locked behind a flagship paywall. Makes you wonder, what are the other brands going to have to do just to keep up? Thanks for joining me to unpack this explainer, and stay curious to see where this industry goes next.